Welcome to this episode of Random Review. In this episode we're going to take a look at A&W Root Beer. It's naturally flavored. And while the name may contain the word beer, it's not beer at all. It just looks like beer. And it's made from roots. Well, sounds interesting. If you take a look at the ingredients, it's a soda drink with a vanilla and root beer taste. It has sugar and it has artificial sweeteners. It has 89 calories per serving per can. And I want to know how it looks, so let's find out. So now we know why it's called root beer, because it kind of looks like a darker beer and it even has a layer of foam. It's brown, that's root beer I guess. I'm gonna try and find out how it tastes and I'll check in with you later. Okay, as you can see, I tried it out. It's weird, to be honest. It has a kind of weird taste. In some ways it tastes like the Dutch drink gazeuse or champagne pills. Champagne beer I guess. So that's probably related or something. Hey, there's Fritz. It's not bad, it's not good. It's a drink, I guess, and I think some people will like it. I personally don't, especially because it has calories. It's really sugary, even though it doesn't have that much calories, but well, it tastes like it contains a lot of sugar. I can kind of get why Americans like this, because, well, I guess it's better than Mountain Dew. To me, it's a bit of a weird drink. All in all, this is, for me, a 3-star product. I will try another root beer in the future, so I can compare, because, well, this is the first time I drank root beer. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, and of course, check you later.